The United Nations 17 Sustainable Development Goals are a blueprint for peace and prosperity for people and the planet now and into the future. Even with frameworks like the UN's, engagement with the problems of the planet can often feel far away. At Riddick and Gray, we ask the question, what would the world look like if we actually knew our neighbors? The opportunity to share the human experience through art becomes a more impactful tool to combat these global challenges. Short films are a vital medium not only to share global perspectives, but to evoke change by inspiring and challenging audiences to practice radical empathy. Introducing The Collective. The Global Film Initiative is a competition that calls filmmakers around the world to help share the stories of social issues from people around the world. Our nonprofit allows impassioned media consumers to collectively fund short films. Anyone can use our automated system to make contributions starting at just $1 a month. So whether you're already in the film industry looking for ways to give or completely new to the industry, we make impact accessible. Filmmakers will submit a production application with criteria based on the UN's SDGs, and ultimately a final selection will be sent to and voted upon by our donors. This is an opportunity to engage new voices in the industry, allowing historically silenced voices to join in the industry through art focused on the human experience. At Riddick and Gray, we are partners committed to creative social impact, and The Collective is just one way we can help foster the leaders of the global film industry while highlighting critical topics as a call to action to audiences everywhere to care for our planet and all of the people on it.